So in today's lesson, we're going to learn Rising of the Moon. It's based on the Dubliners version. That's a great traditional Irish folk song. It's actually really simple to play on the tenor banjo. Only going to need 3 chords. They are D, A and G. And there's just one simple chord pattern that repeats throughout the entire song. So let's get straight into it. Now, I've also put together a PDF chord chart for this lesson. It's got the 3 chord shapes and a full pattern breakthrough that we're going to be using in the lesson today. And you can download that inside Brad's Banjo Club. There'll be a link in the description. Currently got a 7-day free trial, so you can check that out. So do grab yourself a copy. Now, the 3 chords we need, let's start with them. So the first one is D, that's open D string, open A string, and fret 2 on the E. So it's just those 3 strings together. That's chord number 1, D. Next one is A, fret 2 on the D string, fret 4 on the A, and then fret 5 on the E. That's our A string. And then we have a G, which is open G, open D, fret 2 on the A, fret number 3 on the E. So let's just quickly go through them again. So it's D, A, and G. So we just have those 3 chords. Now, if you're a complete beginner or new to banjo, or you don't know them chords very well, spend a little bit of time here, pause the video and just get comfortable with those chord shapes first. Now, let's take a look at the pattern. Now, we're going to play the same pattern throughout the entire thing. So it's D for 4 beats, A for 4 beats, G for 2, D for 2, A for 2, and then finally D for 2. And that is it. And the pattern just repeats the entire way through the song. So let's just quickly try that together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4, G for 2, D, then an A, back to D. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, D, 2, and A, 2, D. And that's it. And it just repeats that throughout the entire song. So I'm just going to give you a quick blast of the verse and the chorus with some vocals, some rough vocals, just so you get an idea of how it sort of sounds. Here we go. So, oh, come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush your vocal, hush and listen as his cheeks were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get you ready quick and soon, for the pikes to be together at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. Yeah, and it just repeats that pattern throughout. I made a little slip there in the middle, but you get the idea. It just repeats throughout the entire song. Yeah, cool. So hopefully you've enjoyed learning Rising of the Moon. Just download or find on YouTube the Dubliners version and then just play along with that. Again, if you can download the chord chart, it will help. Yeah, again, with all these chord shapes, you get on the PDF, you get the full progression laid out for you with the order of the chords in Brad's Banjo Club. And again, there's a 7-day free trial, so do check that out. You also find loads more beginner lessons, tabs, chord sheets, and there's a whole community that we all chat and we meet up for a live lesson, so it's definitely worth it for that as well. So again, I'll pop the link in the description. Otherwise, keep practicing. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.